Look up at the night sky, find the North Star Polaris. It shines bright, a beacon in the darkness. For centuries, it has guided explorers, dreamers, and astronomers alike. But Polaris wasn't always the North Star. Before its reign, another star held this celestial throne. Its name is Thuban, nestled within the constellation Draco, the dragon. Thuban is a forgotten ruler, a celestial king dethroned by the passage of time. But its story, a tale of cosmic cycles and stellar evolution, is far from over. Thuban, once a beacon for ancient civilizations, now sits relatively unnoticed in the night sky. Its brilliance is dimmed, its reign as North Star a distant memory. How did this happen? The answer lies in a fascinating celestial phenomenon known as axial precession, a slow wobble of Earth's axis that shifts the position of our planet's celestial poles over millennia. This subtle dance of our planet, a waltz across the cosmos, has profound implications for how we view the universe, how we understand our place within it, and how we interpret the legacies of the stars. Finding Thuban in the night sky is a rewarding challenge, a celestial treasure hunt for amateur astronomers. First, locate the Big Dipper, a familiar sight in the northern hemisphere. Then, follow the two stars at the end of the Big Dipper's cup. These are Merak and Dubi, the pointer stars, and draw an imaginary line upwards. This line will lead you to Polaris, the current North Star. But our goal lies elsewhere with the former celestial king. Continue past Polaris along the same imaginary line, and you will encounter a winding constellation resembling a dragon. This is Draco. Thuban, once the pole star, resides within this celestial dragon, marking the tip of its tail. While not the brightest star in the sky, Thuban holds a quiet dignity, a sense of ancient wisdom. It is a faint but steady light, a reminder of the ever-changing nature of the cosmos and the fleeting nature of celestial reigns. Thousands of years ago, when the pyramids of Egypt were young and civilizations were just beginning to grasp at the mysteries of the cosmos, Thuban reigned supreme as the North Star. Its light, constant and unwavering, served as a beacon for ancient navigators, a celestial compass guiding sailors across vast oceans and travelers across unfamiliar lands. But Thuban's influence extended far beyond maritime voyages and terrestrial journeys. For ancient civilizations, the stars were not merely points of light scattered across the night sky. They were powerful deities, celestial beings influencing the fate of humanity. Thuban, as the North Star, held a particularly revered position in the celestial hierarchy, its movements carefully observed and meticulously recorded by ancient astronomers. The pyramids of Egypt stand as testaments to human ingenuity, architectural marvels that have captivated and puzzled historians, archaeologists, and astronomers for centuries. Their precise alignment with the cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west, has led some scholars to speculate that ancient Egyptians used the stars, particularly Thuban, as guides during their construction. While the exact methods used by ancient Egyptians to align the pyramids remain a subject of debate, the possibility of Thuban playing a pivotal role is a tantalizing one. Imagine Egyptian priests, thousands of years ago, standing beneath a star-studded sky, carefully observing Thuban's position, and using its light to align these monumental structures with astonishing accuracy. The reason for Thuban's dethronement as the North Star lies in a fascinating celestial phenomenon known as axial precession. Imagine a spinning top, its axis slowly tracing out a circle as it rotates. Earth, like that spinning top, experiences a similar wobble, its axis of rotation slowly changing its orientation over time. This wobble, caused by the gravitational influence of the Sun and Moon on Earth's equatorial bulge, results in a slow drift of the celestial poles, the points in the sky around which all other stars appear to rotate. Over a period of approximately 26,000 years, Earth's axis completes one full wobble, tracing out a circle in the sky. This means that the star we identify as the North Star changes over time, as different stars take turns aligning with Earth's rotational axis. Section 6: A Star's Demise. Thuban's transformation into a blue giant. Thuban, once a humble star much like our own sun, is now classified as an A0III blue giant. This classification tells us a great deal about Thuban's current state and its evolutionary journey. The A0 designation indicates that Thuban is a hot, massive star with a surface temperature significantly higher than our sun's. The 3 luminosity class signifies that Thuban has evolved off the main sequence, the stage where stars spend the majority of their lives fusing hydrogen into helium in their cores. Having exhausted the hydrogen fuel in its core, Thuban has entered a new phase of its life cycle. It has swollen in size, becoming a blue giant, and its outer layers have cooled slightly, giving it its characteristic blue-white hue. This stage, however, is fleeting in the grand scheme of stellar evolution. Section 7. Binary Dance. The influence of Thuban's companion star. Thuban is not alone in its celestial journey. Observations have revealed that it is a binary star system, locked in a gravitational dance with a smaller companion star. The 2 stars orbit their common center of mass, their gravitational interactions influencing their evolution and destinies. The presence of a companion star can have a significant impact on a star's life cycle. Mass transfer between binary companions, stellar mergers, and the formation of accretion disks, swirling disks of gas and dust spiraling towards a star, are just some of the fascinating phenomena that can occur in binary systems. Section 8. Celestial Evolution. From Blue Giant to What Lies Beyond. Thuban's future is uncertain, but we can make some educated guesses based on our understanding of stellar evolution. As a blue giant, Thuban is living on borrowed time. It is rapidly fusing helium in its core, a process that releases significantly more energy than hydrogen fusion and accelerates the star's demise. One possibility is that Thuban will continue to expand and cool, eventually becoming a red giant, a star even larger and more luminous than its current state. Red giants are notoriously unstable stars, prone to shedding their outer layers in massive stellar winds, forming planetary nebulae glowing shells of gas and dust illuminated by the dying star's radiation. Another scenario involves Thuban ending its life in a spectacular supernova explosion, leaving behind a dense remnant such as a neutron star or a black hole. Section 9. Thuban's Triumphant Return, a Future Reign as North Star. While Thuban's reign as the North Star ended thousands of years ago, the celestial dance of axial precession ensures that its time in the spotlight is not over. In approximately 20,000 years, Earth's axis will once again align with Thuban, returning this forgotten ruler to its former glory as the pole star.
This future alignment serves as a reminder of the vast timescales involved in astronomical phenomena and the cyclical nature of cosmic events. Thuban's story, a tale of celestial reigns, stellar evolution, and the enduring power of gravity, is far from over.
It stands as a testament to the ever-changing nature of the universe we inhabit and the enduring legacy of even the faintest stars in the cosmos.